Hello and welcome to IELTS vocabulary for Band 7 and 8. If you're aiming for a high score in writing or speaking, memorizing words isn't enough, you need to use them effectively. Today's lesson focuses on vocabulary related to environment and development, common topics in IELTS Writing Task 2 and Speaking Part 3. Let's get started. Word 1, exacerbate. The first word is exacerbate, spelled exacerbate. It's a verb that means to make a bad situation worse. Example in writing. Urbanization without planning can exacerbate environmental degradation. In speaking, I believe cutting down trees will only exacerbate the flooding issue. This verb is perfect when you want to describe a problem getting worse. Word 2, sustainable. The second word is sustainable, sustainable. It's an adjective meaning able to be maintained without harming the environment. Writing example. Investing in sustainable energy solutions is crucial to reduce dependency on fossil fuels. Speaking example. I think sustainable living is becoming more popular, especially among younger people. Use this word when talking about the future, the environment, or long-term policies. Word 3, disparity. Next, we have disparity, disparity. It's a noun that refers to a big and often unfair difference between two things. In writing, the economic disparity between urban and rural areas has widened over the past decade. In speaking, there's still a big disparity in access to quality education in my country. This word works well in essays about inequality or social justice. Word 4, incentivize. Word 4 is incentivize, spelled incentivize. It's a verb that means to encourage someone to do something by offering rewards. Writing example. Governments should incentivize companies to reduce carbon emissions through tax breaks. Speaking example. I think people should be incentivized to use public transport instead of cars. Perfect for solution-based answers in Task 2. Word 5, mitigate, 3 to 335. Our final word today is mitigate, mitigate. This verb means to reduce the negative effects of something. Example in writing. Improving public transport can mitigate traffic congestion in large cities. Example in speaking. Planting trees is one way to mitigate air pollution in urban areas. It's an excellent word to show you understand consequences and solutions. That's it for part 1. Your tip of the day, don't just memorize these words, practice using them in real IELTS style sentences. Write a paragraph or record yourself saying them aloud. That's how you build fluency and confidence. Comment your favorite word below and I'll see you in part 2.